Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to do the text to speech on the TikTok. So right now it's very trending. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Click on this plus icon on the main menu. Now you can simply upload a video or record a new video. Okay, once you will do it, on the bottom you will see text icon. Click on it and write some text you want in the speech. Hi, this is okay. Now you have to tap on it and on the top you will see text to speech. Just click on it and it's loading. As you can see, it's working. Now simply click on the next and upload it on your TikTok. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.